Sunday. Today what, 18, 19? September 19, 18? Today is Sunday, Sunday, not really. So we are on the hunt for a baby shower cake that has, that is soft pink, soft baby pink, and gray, soft baby pink and gray. And everywhere my mother-in-law has gone, you have to order it like way in advance, and they're like super duper expensive. So I am on the hunt right now to see if I can find it. It looks so swollen. See if I can find it. So my first stop is Harris Teeter. The last time.
Only stop.
The last time
I'm driving to.
Nobody expects you to. Oh gosh, lighting. The last time they were able to make my my daughter's American Girl cake, they were so sweet enough to do that. So we're gonna see. So. Good afternoon, sunshines. I think it's afternoon. Today's Monday. The last I saw you guys was yesterday when I was talking about I was going to look for I'm so tired. I just put Jackson on the school bus and it's now 12:16. I was gonna go to the store, but it's raining. It's like such a gloomy day outside, so I canceled all my plans to go outside because no, homegirl do not want to be outside in the rain. I was gonna go to the dollar store and get some stuff for my baby shower centerpieces, because I volunteered to do a lot. I don't know why, but I volunteered to do the centerpieces. It's only 3 tables and then the big centerpiece for, you know, that table and the main table. So I'm supposed to be doing that today. And then I also have to get the gifts for the games and also for the diaper raffle that I'm doing. I have to get that. And then a package came today. I think it's along with me doing my baby shower, I'm also prepping for my hospital bag. So I've been ordering stuff off of Amazon instead of, you know, going to the store. So today was supposed to be a productive day. It's not going to be a productive day because I'm not going out in the rain and I'm not yeah, I'm not doing all that. So I'm gonna open this bad guy and then probably film my hospital bag because I think it's complete. No, I have one more item to get before I can do that. So I'm gonna find, I edited a video today, Monday, and I posted it. It's I think something hard life something, so I put that up, so you guys go check out that video. And yeah, looky here people, look at this. Oh my gosh, she's getting length. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at the length on her. Ooh, I'm starting to get a little ponytail going, like ooh, look at the ponytail coming. Look guys, ponytail. Ooh, yeah, right, whatever. I need to get me a wig. I don't know if I'm gonna make one or buy one, but I need to get a wig for my baby shower. And I did my eyebrows myself. I saved $7. I went to Target and got me the e.l.f. tweezer. You guys, if you don't know anything about the e.l.f. tweezer and you use a tweezer, please get it. It's only $1. It's the best tweezer by far. Like, seriously, get it. Anyways, I'm gone. So,
yes.
Look weird. Maintenance people are here. Well, they came to look at our AC, and they say they're checking stuff out, blah 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 blah. But because it's raining, they can't do anything because they're scared of being electrocuted. So my husband asked them if we could have a window unit or something. So we shall see. if we get that. Let me show you guys. So maintenance just left, and I think they fixed the AC. They said they changed some parts, something. So it's after 2 o'clock right now. After 2 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna go try to get as much as I possibly can. I have that basket over there to put away, and I have to clean my bathroom, clean my dirty bathroom. And I didn't do laundry on Thursday, so I have to do it today, because if I don't do it today, it's gonna pile up more, because the kids are gonna, their dirty clothes are gonna pile up more. So I have to do a load, at least 2 loads today, and put them away. So that's that. My husband went to walk the dog, and I'm gonna show you guys once I'm finished what it looks like around here when I clean up. So I'm gonna do that and get my house back on track, because it only takes it. What's going on with this weird lighting? Right there, perfect. Ooh, look at that brown skin tone, baby. Look, ooh, I'm feeling myself. What? Ooh, look at my little ponytail. I keep telling y'all about my ponytail. Like, look, watch it grow. Just watch it grow. It was about a year ago that I was bald headed, so my little ponytail is making me happy. It's giving me life, people. Giving me life. Yeah, I'm gonna go clean up my house. See y'all later. Good morning, sunshines. Check the oven. What's in there?
Check the goddamn oven.
Oh, wow. Somebody's getting feisty with me.
Your shirt's dirty.
My shirt is not dirty.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. That one spot, I don't know. I don't know.
This one
Got your shirt.
This is like
I got your shirt.
Food dropped on it. Anyway, guys, so I'm all dolled up, as you can tell. With the, I need to do something about my hair. Like, seriously, I look like a 15-year-old. But make the best of what you have. And this is my hair, so I'm gonna slap it up in a ponytail and go. I don't care what anyone thinks. I don't care. So today is Tuesday, September 20th. September 20th. And my husband worked last night, so he's off today. So we are about to go on the road to go take care of some baby shower things, because baby shower is on Sunday. And even though I'm not the one throwing my baby shower, I kind of like took over. I don't know why. I don't know why I took over. But it's just with the decorations and stuff. You know, when you want stuff to be perfect. I don't know. Yeah, I shouldn't have taken it over. Should let them figure it out and just be surprised. But I don't like surprises. Ask my husband. He cannot surprise me. I remember one time he took my rings to go get them resized, and he was gonna give them to me, you know, as a present for me to wear again. And I found them. I was just being nosy. I cannot be surprised. So yeah. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So that's about it. So I'll see you guys later if we're doing anything. If not, then I'll probably just update tomorrow. No, these series are going up tomorrow, Wednesday. So today is editing day. So if not, then that's it for this long, overdrawn, boring vlogs. But thank you guys so much. Ooh, fish sticks. I'm gonna go eat because I'm hungry. And today is what's today? Today is Wednesday, September 21st. This is the first time picking up the camera all day because I've been what? Hi. I also wanted to ask if we could do a vlog. Yeah, we could, but it's too late. I have to put these footages what? I have to edit. I didn't put up a vlog today. I'm bad, Janice. Bad. Because I've been baby shower prepping. Like, let me show you guys what I've been doing. Woo! Sneak peek. I made that diaper cake over there, And I made these centerpieces right here. And I made that diaper raffle gift basket over there. So I'm gonna show you guys once everything is set up. But look at that, isn't it pretty? Let me show you guys. Isn't that adorable?
Watch it, boy. Watch it, you ugly boy. Watch it, boy. Watch it.
The lighting is not doing it justice, but let me show you guys up close. So this is her diaper cake.
Watch it, buddy.
And it's so pretty. Yeah. So yeah, that's our diaper cake that I made. Because I'm a perfectionist. And then these are her centerpieces.
Why are you watching?
These are her centerpieces that I'm doing now. And they're pretty. I like them.
He can make any.
So yeah, I've been busy.
And I'm making invitations.
Yeah, I feel like I'm doing the baby shower, but I'm not doing the baby shower. That makes sense, you know? Like, I just take over and I just...
I'm helping too.
I don't know, I have a problem. You are helping. Oh, let me show them your little handwritten note. She's doing the thank you. Why my eyes look all left? Oh, because I didn't do my eyebrows. Forgive me, people. I'll be coming on camera looking all...
Where do you put it?
She's doing the thank you cards, the thank you notes and stuff. It is so cute. It's super duper cute.
Where is it, Mommy? Where did you put it?
I don't know if Jason trashed them.
What?
The little thank you notes that were up here.
I didn't check it.
So, I'm gonna have to look.
Up here.
But anyway, I'm just popping in to say hello. Hello! And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
But don't go, I want to show them something.
I'll come back when she finds her stuff because me not staying here all night.
Bye.
Buggy!
Bye. Bye.
Buggy!
Hold the camera.
Buggy! Look at that. 31 weeks, people. Can't believe I only have 8 more weeks.
I want to hold the camera.
31 weeks.
I want to hold the camera.
I'm done.
I want to hold the camera.